Hello friends, welcome to the channel You Are Special. I am Shachi Seth. I am a writer, entrepreneur, life coach and yes, your best friend. Today we'll talk about punctuality. Punctuality is crucial not only for your personal life but also for your professional life. Are you someone who is always late? Are you someone who stresses and embarrasses himself because he is not in time? Do you find it difficult to meet the deadlines? Do you miss the starting of the movie because you are late? You need me, my friend. You need me. And you need this video on punctuality. Even the Bible says, one who is slothful will not roast his game. Only the diligent man will get precious wealth. Which means if you are lazy and do not bother about time, you will lose your game. And the person who values time will earn a lot of money, will earn a lot of friends in life. So my dear friend, punctuality is a must. Let me walk through 5 traits that will teach you to be punctual in life, that will make punctuality a habit for you. Lance Armstrong, the famous cyclist, named his book Every Second Counts because he valued time. He knew even a fraction of a second could make him win or lose the game. Also Usain Bolt, imagine the struggle and hard work he has gone through to win that microsecond to beat his own time. He is popular, he is famous, he is successful only because he valued time. He won his race against the time. Let's go to 5 traits that teach you punctuality or that develop habit of punctuality in you. The first one is planning. Planning is very crucial in time management. A proper to-do list is a must-have. The first ritual when you wake up in the morning is to make a to-do list. Step by step, hour by hour, divide your day and plan your activities. That will teach you how to prioritize your work. That will keep you updated on what to do next, and that will save a lot of time. You will be on time every time because you have planned everything. After this video, how many of you will start making a to-do list? Do mention in the comment box below. And if you're already making a to-do list, a high five to you. Do mention that also in the comment box below. Trait number 2, travel time. With the increase in population and introduction of new modes of transport and also increase in the vehicles on the road, traffic congestion has become a common problem and we are not able to estimate the exact time of reaching. This causes delays. Also, it has become a common excuse and very normal excuse that we were delayed because of traffic congestion. No matter how genuine your excuse is, or no matter how nice the former person you are informing is, your reputation has been sabotaged because you are late. You can overcome this. You can fight this race against time. How to overcome these delays? Keep 3 tips in mind. Number 1, leave 10 minutes early. Number 2, always keep buffer time in hand. Third, you're blessed with GPS navigation systems. Always keep a check on those navigation systems and plan accordingly. Trait number 3, communication. To err is to human, and we as humans make a lot of mistakes. We have followed all the 3 steps. We have left early, we kept the buffer time, we followed the navigation system, still we are delayed. Now what shall we do? The best thing to do is communicate. Inform the former person that we will be late. See the magic happen. I once informed a doctor that I'll be late. Luckily, I got a new appointment. God knows what good things will come to you. If you inform someone, he knows that you respect his time and he will act accordingly. If keeping others wait is a vice, then informing about the delay is a virtue and you can win heart with virtues. Trait number 4, very important trait, make it a habit. Make punctuality a habit. In fact, I would say make it an addiction. You should always be on time. You should finish your task on time. If you do it once on time, it is chance. If you do it twice, it is an attempt. And if you do it repeatedly, it is a habit. And the persistency and the consistency of that habit is called addiction. Once you're addicted to punctuality, you will see miracles happen. You will lead a stress-free life, organized life, a disciplined life. You might have seen people in the military are very punctual because they value time. They know even a fraction of a second can take your life. Be disciplined, be punctual, and see the magic happen. The 5th and the most important trait is schedule your life. I'm asking you to take baby steps. Schedule your sleep and wake up time first. Then we'll go to meal times, lunch time and the dinner time. This will give you clarity and you will know the empty spaces in your day. so that you can plan your next task accordingly. Gradually start planning or scheduling your gym time, your exercise time, your play time, your TV time. That will give a meaning to your life. Your life will be simple and easy, stress free. Again, you can do a very important task. You can plan your clothes, the shoes, everything a day before. The papers you need on the meeting, you can plan it and keep it ready a night before, so that in the morning you are stress free. So scheduling is very important. It gives you calm and stress free environment and you work more efficiently. Also, if this is not working, I have a very simple plan to be followed. Remember, consistency is the trick. Follow all the points and add one more to it. Close your eyes every morning, sit for 3 seconds and say, I am always at the right place at the right time. I am always at the right place at the right time. I am always at the right place at the right time. Punctual people are always winners because they win the race against the time. Be punctual. Respect other people's time also. They will really appreciate it because punctual people are apprehensive and appreciated. I hope you liked this video. I hope this video gave you clarity on punctuality. And if yes, you like the video, remember the like button. Remember to subscribe for more such videos. Don't forget to read my book 10 Steps to Personality Enhancement. The link is given below. Thank you.